A Journey to a Small Star. One quiet night, Mina, a girl living in a small village, was lying in bed. Outside the window, the stars were twinkling, and the moon was smiling gently. Mina looked up at the starry sky and felt like one of the stars was calling her. Unlike other stars, the star gave off a special glow. "I want to go to that planet," and Mina thought in her heart. Then, suddenly, a warm light enveloped her room. A small spirit of light appeared in front of me. "Mina, thank you for calling me. Let's travel to the stars with me." Mina was surprised, but her heart was excited. The spirit of light reached out, and Mina grabbed it. The next moment, she soared high into the sky and walked down the starry road through the night sky. Mina felt the stars wave their hands and call out to them, "Welcome, Mina. Let's play together." The stars welcomed Mina, and she was happy from the bottom of her heart. As we approached the brightest star, colorful flowers were blooming in the star, and small creatures were dancing happily. Mina lay down on the grassland and enjoyed the scent of flowers. The creatures surrounded her and began to sing together. "When the star flowers bloom, we can meet in a dream. Let's light up in our hearts and smile tomorrow." While listening to the song, Mina gradually became sleepy and fell asleep comfortably. The gentle voice of the stars gently enveloped her. When I realized, Mina was back in her bed. The stars in the night sky were also shining quietly, as if they were watching her. Mina smiled, closed her eyes, and muttered to herself, "Let's meet again in a dream." Then, she set off for a heartwarming dream. Good night. I wish you a wonderful dream.